Hi, today we are going to try to reset the service reminder on Renault Clio 4th generation. All you need to do is put the card inside, use the right stalk to find the reminder, then press and hold the upper button, wait a few seconds. And we have two maintenance reminders over here. You can browse through them with the button. Press and hold the button. It will start to blink. Continue holding the button and release. Now let's go to the other one. Same thing. Press and hold the upper button. It will start to flash. Wait till the maintenance reminder is set and release. And that's it.